All right. Yo. Good afternoon. Chat. Good afternoon, bro. Holy. Holy. Listen. Markets are absolutely flying. I mean, we are flying, chat. Holy. Absolutely just cooking in the markets. My goodness. YM making a nice recovery. YM making a nice recovery. Gold. Did we hit 4,000 yet, chat? Almost. We were 5.5 points away from 4,000 on gold. I mean, markets are just absolutely cooking. ES cooking. Nasdaq cooking. Everything's cooking, chat. Absolutely everything is cooking. Daniel. Hello. Carrie says, I'm here every stream. And Carrie, let me tell you something. Lock in with me real quick. Look at me in my eyes, bro. I appreciate you. I absolutely appreciate you. Holy chat, how we doing, bro? How's y'all's Monday been? Chat, listen, look, hold on. Wait a minute. I did take a trade on Tradeify today. Hold on, let me pull it up. Chat, on the Tradeify funded accounts, we're up. Oh wait, y'all can't see it. Hold on. I mean, y'all can kind of see it. I know Bookmap's kind of in the way. Here, hang on, let me do this. Bookmap, there it is. There you go. Now you can see it. Chat, we're up 331 on the Tradeify funded accounts. We got 5 of them. We're up 331 on the Tradeify funded accounts, bro. Tradeify accounts looking good. Haven't taken account on the personal yet. We're working on it. We're working on it. Personal accounts untouched. Tradeify is setting up nicely. Working on it. Holy. Miss K's in the building. What up, Kay? She said, Jay, you called. I absolutely called. And you best believe when I call, you pick up the phone. Phone's ringing, baby. Holy. Text. Hey, I did not know I got a free membership, but thanks. Yeah. Market Maker Mario, Mr. Mario, he gifted out 5 free members yesterday. So you were one of the lucky 5 that got a free membership. Congrats. Daniel, I've been trading TBT, but about to start up some Tradifies. You already know the deal, baby. Tradify is the way to go, in my opinion. I absolutely recommend it. You see it on the corner of your screen there. Code JAM, get the best deal possible if you want to support the community. Holy, that was a mouthful, chat. An absolute mouthful. Chat, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm a big ball of fucking energy right now. Feel like I could run through a wall, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I got some really good sleep last night. Some really good sleep. I went and hit the gym. Got some creatine flowing through the veins. Chat, don't pop off on me today. There's no telling what's coming flying out the mouth today, holy. Holy. Chat, we're gonna take a trade in the personal account. We can get some good PA this afternoon. I am a rhythmic / quant tower trader. Ooh, so no Tradify for me. Hate Project X, but there's Lucid and plenty others out there. Hey, listen, choose your favorite platform and go with the firm that has your best platform. You know what I mean? Miss K says, put all that energy to good use and clean the house. Jay, that's your job. Holy. All right, chat, what we got going on, bro? I don't think we have any news. I don't think we got any news. Make sure I'm not missing anything here. Damn, Trump putting some tariffs on some heavy duty trucks coming to the United States from other countries will be tariffed at a rate of 25%. Bro, Trump said tariff everything. He said we holding nothing back and we putting tariffs on absolutely everything. Holy. Kay says, no, I got Mr. Clean for that ish. That ain't me. It ain't me, bro. Chat, I'm supposed to have new lights coming in for the background because mine are going out. You know, those come in today. Boy, we are still just Nasdaq's consolidating IB high here. Nasdaq consolidating IB high. Everything just flying high, bro. What a pullback on gold though, man. Look at that. We got up to like 394. Wait, 994, sorry. 994. And just absolutely got obliterated off that level. And then now we're slowly recovering. Like, what a crazy, crazy market, bro. I mean, absolutely crazy. I mean, just actually insanity. You know what I mean? How's the challenge going? We are far behind on the challenge. Far behind. Miss K said it. You guys heard it here first. Smash a like and sub if you forgot. So far, guys and gals, holy moly, chat. We need to get the likes up, chat. I've got 13 people, 5 likes. As we get more and more people in here, we're gonna get more and more likes. Listen, we're live every day. We do giveaways all of the time. You get to see the most beautiful looking bald guy on planet Earth. I think that deserves a like, chat. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, chat? Chat, we need to do a 24-hour stream again. We need to redo it because ours got interrupted by news. So we need to do another 24-hour stream. When are we gonna do it, chat? I think we should do it next week. What do you guys think? Next week? I kind of think so. Maybe fuck it, 48-hour stream instead of 24-hour. Just do a full 48. I think we could do it. I think we could do it, chat. Gold hanging out at 83. What's Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq coming back down to IB high. Looking at a possible failure here, chat. Looking at a possible failure. Look at the blue light blinking, chat. Look at that. Hold on. Look at that. It's not supposed to be doing that. Might be a fake out since the new all-time high was pre-market. Maybe. Could be. It could be. Excuse me. That came out of nowhere. You know the US doesn't like to be outdone. Hell nah. We too competitive, baby. We too competitive. Chat, just a reminder, we're doing a masterclass October 24th. October 24th in Discord. You don't want to miss it, baby. You don't want to miss it. No Sersky. It's going to be an absolute heater. So if you're not in Discord, click that link in the description. Link in the description, baby. Chat, if you didn't know or couldn't tell, Gradify is currently 30% off. 30% off Gradify right now, all accounts. You know the deal, baby. Wait, hold on. I need to put this in this scene. Hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Wait. Why is this so off, chat? Hold on, why is my chat? I swear to God, y'all have messed up my shit. Swear to God, y'all have. There's the actual one. You know the deal. JFI, 30% off all accounts right now with code JM. You can use the link in the pinned comment there. Good until the 17th. We'll see what they run after. Uh-oh. Nasdaq flying high again, chat. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What's the high of this candle? 241? Wait, no. 9. Yeah, 241. Are we gonna go make a new all-time high, chat? Holy. New all-time high possibly incoming. Chat, I haven't done an Instagram story in forever. Hold on, let me throw up a little image. Oh, baby. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Oh, baby, we are live. Absolutely, positively live. Making some moolah, baby. Making some moolah. Look at that. Look at it. There we go. Instagram story. Hashtag Instagram plug. Chat, we might make a new all-time high, bro. We are, what did I say? Was it 11 points off? Yeah, 241. So we're 11 points off. Market Maker Mario. It's me, Mario. Market Maker Mario got one trade on my personal on gold. 3,976 to 3,984, 1,600 on the personal, one and done. Mario, go ahead and hit a flex on him real quick. You know what I mean? Hit a flex. Go ahead, do it. Put it in the chat. Flex emojis. I want to see it right now. I want to see it right now with Mario. Flex on him. So Joey, ... Yes. What's your strategy based on? Market direction. No, in real talk, I have two. All right. I have two strategies. So it kind of depends on which one you're talking about. If you're talking about initial balance strategy, that's different. If you're talking about the entry strategy that I'm going to go over on the masterclass, that's completely different. The initial balance failed auction strategy is what you see happening right here. If I take an IB failure, it's because we broke below the IB low right there, that blue line. You can see it right there. Bang, caught some strength coming out of it and retraced to at least 50% of the IB. So that would have been a textbook failed auction play there for me. Vice versa on the upside. If we get a failed auction to the upside, wow, that was almost a perfect straight line, chat. Failure on the upside, then we would see it come back down 50%. But right now, I'm not really feeling it because we are seeing some strength still above IB high there. So that would be, in a nutshell, the IB failure. The other strategy that we're going to go over on the 24th. Hang on. Get rid of this circle here. It's going to drive me crazy. All right. The other strategy would be this. So we know that the market's been very bullish, right? We know the market's been bullish. So we're in a clear uptrend. We have a bullish daily bias. So what I'm looking for is areas where there are likely to be the most stops, which is here, right? You see this low? There's likely a lot of stop losses right here. So my entry strategy would be to get in on those stop losses, and you would barely take any heat and ride it back up, right? Now, obviously, it's not gonna be a perfect entry. There will be entries where you take a little bit more heat. There will be entries where you take less heat, right? And it just goes. But knowing that we're bullish on the day and have a bullish market, I'm looking for key areas to get swept where the most stop losses are likely to get hit. Enter on those losses, those stop losses there, and ride it all the way up. In a nutshell, that's that strategy. That's what we're going over on the 24th. Should have also full ported the BDH, but now it's more of a fun exercise for me using it to test new strats. Don't care about price. I feel you 100%. Chat, one thing I learned, bro, I love the tournament. I absolutely love the tournament. I love the idea of it. I love the community aspect of it. I love absolutely everything about it. What I noticed for me was, man, was it a distraction, bro. Holy, like on the stream last night and then just this morning, like I felt so much pressure and so much stress trying to just like constantly keep up on the leaderboard that it took a toll on me. Like even just in that short amount of time, I was like, man, like this is not, I'm not having fun with this. I mean, and that's not me dogging on it. I truly feel like it's a cool community thing and like a lot of traders should get involved. For me, it kind of like, I don't know, weighed on me. I don't like that. And to be honest, like the competition is not really about, like, it's not really showing like or proving that you're a good trader, right? Because you're having to oversize, you're having to way over leverage just to keep up with the leaderboard, right? And so it doesn't really prove who's a good trader and who isn't, right? I think it's more just a fun thing for the community. I think that's what it really is. It's just a fun thing for the community. I'm shocked at how simple that sounds. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can join the class. Just the link for my Discord is in the description of this video, this live video. So just join up on Discord. So we're going over it on October 24th. The class will be held in Discord. It's a YOLO race. I mean, yeah, it is 100% a YOLO race. For me, chat, like I'm using my personal account to prove like I'm a good trader. Like that's my proof, right? Obviously, like, do I have to prove something? No. But my personal account for me is my proof. That's really it. I got lots to prove. Listen. Listen. I ain't got nothing to prove. I got nothing to prove. Chat, how are y'all doing today, bro? Like, what's the vibes with you guys? How's y'all's P&Ls looking? Have y'all taken trades? Are y'all up? Y'all green, red, purple, green, yellow? What are y'all? How y'all doing, bro? Scooby says green. Mario says I'm always purple as my favorite color. Yeah, that's my favorite color. You must like the background. Purple's my favorite color. Purple and blue. But it has to be a very specific type of purple. You know what I mean? Like that purple. Like that's kind of like my favorite purple. Green enough to have time to mess with Jay. You want to square up? Okay, we can square up. Marika, I'm off the charts. Took my parents to... What's that say? Wait, I just lost it. Took my parents to Malta. Right now, chilling and drinking the Corona. You got a lime in that thing? Do you trade with Bookmap too? I don't trade with Bookmap. I use it to... I just use it for the liquidity areas. I don't trade with it. I just use it to see areas of liquidity. You love all purple? Purple's a good color. Same, that's the type I like, not the deep dark one. Yep, same. Same. Daniel, green plus 400 in my personal and 2,300 and 5 accounts copy trading. Holy, you love to see it. Ms. Venture says, OMFG, I need to pay attention. I thought I went in with 1 NQ on new trip I funded. Dom was set to 4 contracts. Holy, butt pucker moment. Yep, that'll make you pucker a little bit. G-Man's in the building. G-Man, what's up, dude? You know the name Marika has a different meaning in some Spanish slang? Really? I need to learn Spanish, chat. I have Babbel, and I have a lot of people that I know that speak Spanish. So I need to learn it. Marika says, I know what it means in Spanish. Been there and found out. Now I'm kind of curious, chat. I need to know now. I need to know. Javier says, Marika means gay in Spanish. Really? Okay, he's actually second. All right. I don't know what you're thinking. He's actually second. Huh, interesting. Marika, I'm sorry. It's all right. My name is Joey, bro. I'm named after a baby kangaroo, chat. All right, relax. I'm legit named after a baby kangaroo, okay? I actually have a picture of me holding a baby kangaroo. I wonder if I can find it. Hold on. I wonder if I can find it. I bet I can. Wait a minute, chat. Hold on. Let me go to... I'll show you guys. I'm willing to bet I can find it, chat. Give me a second. It might take me a minute to scroll all the way to find it. Oh, wait. And I was young in this photo too, holy. Chat, look, hold on. There you go. It's a Joey holding a Joey. Chat, it's Joey holding a Joey. The caption was, when two Joeys take a pic together. That was a long time ago. That was in 2020, chat. That's 5 years ago. Kangaroo looks miserable. I think it was. It was probably tired of everybody holding it. Cheers, Nets. Good afternoon. You put on some weight, Jay? Yeah, I fucking put on some weight. I'm not fat. I'm bigger. Relax. I'm getting fit again. You just wait. Give me 2 months. Give me 2 months, chat. I'll be fucking shredded. Wait for it. Mama would have squared up if she saw it. Yeah, Mama definitely would have squared up. Definitely would have squared up, bro. Holy. You trying to push the BDH count? No. I'm done pushing it. I'm done pushing it for real. Dude, it distracted me so hard from like this morning stream and last night's stream. I was so distracted by it. And it like put a lot of pressure on me and stressed me out. And I was like, I don't want to do this. I don't want to feel like I have to keep YOLOing trades to keep up. My mom's gonna want to square up with you. Maybe. My mom a little badass too. You don't want to mess with her. Hyper scalp 4 to 8 points with shitloads of size. Yeah, that's basically what it is. I don't have it in me, chat. Look, I have a personal account to trade. I have 5 Trade-Fi funded accounts to trade. Like, I just don't have it in me. Like, I tried and it stressed me out more than I had fun with it, to be honest. So I love the community part of it. I love all the traders coming together, participating in a tournament. Like, I love that aspect of it. Just the trading part of it and how I have to trade it just kind of stressed me out a little bit, and I don't really want to do it. I don't want to like put my mind in a weird place trading when I'm trying to trade like real cash, because that's the last thing I want to do. Like, I don't want to be stressed out YOLOing an account when I have a personal live account with over 30K in it that I trade live. I don't want to carry that over into that account. So I just, yeah. I know myself and when I need to step back, and I need to step back. I'm going to step back from it. Also, like this morning's stream, like I feel like I was so quiet because I was like focusing on trading super large size, and I was distracted, and it just wasn't good for me. Wasn't good. But I do love the idea of a tournament and all the traders coming together as a community and participating in it. So I think he did a very good job with that. You don't want to build bad habits, for sure. For sure. Nasdaq trying to go make these new highs, chat. We are, was it 41? Yeah. 5 points off. 5 points away from all-time highs, chat. Look out. Nasdaq going into absolute ripper mode. When is Trade8 prop releasing? What do you mean Trivate prop? They don't have a prop firm. It's just tools for props. Nasdaq just absolutely flying. I'm not sure if they have already yet or not. They might have. You have to go to their website and look. I have no idea. I haven't kept up with Trivate prop, honestly. I need to go look into it though, for sure. I need to go look into it. Probably do that today after stream. Do a little deep dive on a chat. Yo, chat, can we get some likes on the stream, bro? We got 32 people, 14 likes. We need to get the likes up, bro. Like. Nasdaq really trying to fly, chat. Nasdaq really trying to fly. Trivate prop is okay, so it's already released. Yeah, it's not a prop firm. It's just tools. It's Tradevate trying to stay competitive. That's what it is. Tradevate's really trying to stay competitive. Trying to keep market share considering other platforms. Yeah, exactly. Exactly what it is. Tradevate actually approached me to like partner with them and do stuff with them, but I mean, I gave them a price. I don't think they liked the price. Gold has some large orders at 390, 395. Not surprising. I mean, I feel like gold at some point is going to go up there and shred it. Let's see. Let's take a look at gold. But yeah, at some point, we're going to go up there and shred that. It could be tonight, honestly. They launch a prop or updating their software. They're just offering new tools available for people who trade with prop firms. They're not launching a prop firm. About time. They're so outdated. They are. Yeah, they do need to update a lot of different things. What up? What up, Fitmom? Hope a minute when it does. Yes. Me too. Join Prop Hit Discord ran by FTT, guys. Oh God, we don't need another one. I know, I heard about that. There is no way he succeeds, bro. No way. If he opens a new prop firm, there's absolutely no way. He's probably gonna get a lot of traders come in and just say whatever and go buy accounts. There's no way and he succeeds. There's no way. Not after rug pulling, bro. You just can't do it. You can't be trusted. He took a lot of people's money. To be honest, if people go back to a prop firm that he starts, you're asking. It's like you're asking to get fucking robbed. Like, you're asking to lose your money. You're legit asking for it. If you got rug pulled by FTT and you go back to a prop firm that started by Scott, you deserve to get robbed. You deserve to lose your money at that point. Yeah, don't be stupid, bro. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it. Some would do it just to complain about him. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Trader, what's up? How you doing? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Damn, we're already almost a power hour. 30 minutes till power hour, chat. Just trying to see if we get a good opportunity somewhere in the market to trade the personal, but so far Nasdaq just kind of grinding all-time highs here. Gold is just kind of consolidating, moving sideways. Nothing really happening there. What's YM doing, dude? YM been kind of crazy today. I mean, YM saw a massive sell and then a nice recovery back to VWAP. Both S&P and Nasdaq is kind of hovering all-time highs. Green MGC, nice, trader. Tradeify is all you need. That I can agree with. I can get down with that. I can get down with it, bro. Well, this dumps in power hour stuck in a short on Nasdaq or gold or YM. Which one? Whoa, there goes an ass. Holy. There goes an as. Oh, you're short in Q? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. TradeFi needs to have 20 accounts now. They used to have 7, but they've gone to 5. They won't ever do 20 accounts, chat. It's not sustainable. We've learned that in the past. It's just not sustainable for straight to funded accounts. Win some, you lose some, tech. I've been blasted way too many times up here in no man's land, for sure. Me too. Me too. Bitmom, don't short all-time highs. It is a tough one. It is an absolute tough one. Just because it just keeps ripping into oblivion. It's like there's so much liquidity that sits at all-time highs that it just continues to rip into oblivion because it's going to take out that liquidity. You know what I mean? So it's just, again, chat, the market has to have a reason to go down. It doesn't need a reason to go up. If there's no reason for the market to go down, it's not going to. Markets naturally go up. And there's no reason for it to come down. Why should it? You feel me? With that being said, time to short. No, kidding. Kidding. Don't do it. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Not until I get more confirmation to short this. Does TradFi have daily payout? I think in the live environment they do. Yeah, for in the live environment, for all payout requested for amounts above starting balance, you have a daily payout request available. So yeah, live environment. Yeah, about 25 minutes till power hour, chat. 25 minutes. 25. Chat, did I say that right? Who's Spanish in here? Good enough. Thinking about buying my first prop firm account. Only thing holding me back, my goal is only $50 a day. Well, get you a prop firm account. Why not? Mario, how would you? What did I say that was wrong? You said good enough, so I said something wrong. What did I mess up? Is there going to be a duck race today? Not today. There will be this week, though. There will be a couple this week. I always mess up. Okay, shut your mouth. Just have to say a little faster, but overall it's not bad. Why do I gotta say it faster? 25. 25. 25. Is that fast enough? I don't know how do I say it faster? Duck race? Razmother, we do prop firm and giveaways. Account giveaways, and we do duck races for the giveaways. Where in the hell do you find a kangaroo in Missouri? The zoo. 25? No E between the words, so just 25? Why is there no E? Have I been told a lie? Have I been lied to? I'm gonna hire Mario to teach me Spanish. Mario, are you instructor, bro? Can we have like 2-hour sessions just having conversation in Spanish? I'm a nice lady and will not make jokes about Jay's mom. My mom a black belt in karate. She might fuck you up. Now it's pulling back a little bit. Pulling back off the all-time high skis. What's gold doing? Gold kind of just going sideways. YM kind of going sideways. S&P pulling back, Nasdaq pulling back. So really the movers right now are gold or Nasdaq and S&P. Your mom would be better at that. She was a professor in a previous life. Yeah, my stepmom is a Spanish teacher. Believe it or not, chat, I actually have a sister from Spain. And yet I still don't know how to speak Spanish. Wow, Nasdaq pulling back here. This is gonna be the failure chat that we want. Are we gonna get the failure on the IB high? I know to never short all-time highs on the Nasdaq. However, there are some occasions where I will. And that's IB failures. That is 100% where I will do it. Difference from growth and advanced and terrified. Growth account is end of day drawdown. Advanced account is intraday drawdown. What do I think about going long or short the 6 p.m. candle? Ugh. No. I don't really like going long at any particular hour or any particular candle or short. I just take what the market gives me. If we're at a level at 6 p.m., cool. But I don't ever really hit like opening candles like that. All right, we'll see what happens here, chat. This is getting kind of, this is kind of interesting. This is getting a bit interesting. Anybody in BDA tournament? Yeah, there's quite a few people. JT, what's up? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Long or short? I am neither. I am flat currently. Currently flat. Probably a safe bet right now, 100%. I will say I will be eyeing a short if we are gonna get weakness up here. Yeah, there's like 3 people over 30K. Is this live? No, I'm not live right now. We're not live. Is the title wrong? Oh, the title is wrong. We're not live, but it's all replay. I forgot to update the title, chat, my bad. He got so flustered yelling the BDH that he didn't even know what day it was. As facts. I don't know what day it is. All right, are we going to get an IB failure here, chat? That's the question. Are we going to get an IB failure? What do we think? Are we going to come back below IB high, chat? Or are we going to keep running to oblivion? We're going to keep running? Or are we going to come down? Or are we going to stay right here? If I buy straight to funded, do I still have to reach a profit target? Reach a target for payout? Yes. Obviously, depending on like what straight to funded you get. I personally like the 100Ks. I feel really good at 100K accounts. You got to reach a 6,000 profit target on 100Ks. I think the 150Ks is what, 9,000, chat? I think it's 9,000. Honestly, though, like, if you feel good with your strategy, you know what I mean? If you feel good as a trader, go straight to funded. If your strategy works, you know how to make money, you have something that works for you, go straight to funded. Don't worry about the mental capital of passing an eval. But if you don't have a strategy that works for you consistently and you don't feel as confident, go eval. My Forex funds is returning after all that. Wow. Had no idea. Straight to funded is the way to go if you take your time. 100%. I agree. I agree. Kind of getting a little bit of weird weakness up here, chat. We'll see if it continues. I don't know. It's kind of a weird PA. We have about 12 minutes until power hour, chat. About 12 minutes. It's one of those things where it's like, if are we gonna grind all-time highs, pull back, then continue grinding all-time highs, or are we gonna hit all-time highs and actually pull back? Feels really weird being up here. I'm very skeptical of it. Very, very skeptical. Like it's one of those things where it's like it feels weak right here up in this area. Feels like we want to pull back. But then again, it's also all-time highs, and shorting all-time highs is never a good idea. Because it can always just buy right back up and go back to all-time highs. It's kind of a weird thing, chat. Weird thing. Gold is starting to catch a little bit more of a buy. I'm surprised we didn't go hit 4,000, chat, on gold. I mean, we got real close. We were about 5.5 points off hitting 4,000 on gold. It wouldn't surprise me to see this happen in Asia. Like if we get a big move during Asia, chat, wouldn't surprise me to see that happen. 4,000 on gold. YM is kind of consolidating. YM been kind of crazy today. I mean, we had a huge sell-off on YM. You see this here. YM had a massive sell-off. Nice little recovery. And then just flat. You could have made a lot of money in this short too, man. Honestly, it's kind of textbook too. Like you see a lot of nice pullback right here. Get short. Kind of a textbook short. You could have rode it the whole day. Or all morning, rather. Not a bad setup. But then too, like also this like this buy up here, like trying to catch this long is a risky trade, but man, it just kept going. Absolutely just kept going. YM looking like it wants to try to roll over, but I'm nervous that we're just kind of sitting here at VWAP, chat. You know what I mean? Just kind of chilling at VWAP, nothing much really happening. I don't know. PA feels weird pretty much all the way around the board right now. I don't know if I like any of it. Let me look at Nas now trying to catch a bid back to the highs like that. That's what I don't want to get caught in. Like I don't want to feel like we're getting weakness on the Nas, short close to all-time highs, and then we just pop off right to the downside. You know what I mean? Or pop off right to the upside. Yeah, barely traded my fund in this morning. Once I made a bit on the short early, no way I was trading that junk. Yeah, it was tough. Like brutal trading today. Brutal. Honestly, what kind of was a tough trading day. Very, very tough. Chat, I don't know about you guys, but I kind of want some Chipotle, bro. Who lives local? Who's gonna bring me Chipotle? I'll give you a free straight to funded account. Who's gonna bring me Chipotle? And there it is. That's why I didn't want to short, because of that right there. That's why I didn't want to short. Because that would have pissed me off. What's the go-to at Chipotle? Haven't been there in years. Double steak burrito with light rice, right? Get the white rice, but just light, right? Don't lay on the rice. Just a little bit of rice. You know what I mean? A little bit of white rice, some veggies, double steak, cheese, not the queso, the shredded cheese, and hot sauce. That's the go-to. Man, that makes my mouth water. Holy chat, we might have to go make a little visit. We might have to make a visit to Chipotle, chat. Holy. What's y'all's go-to? Do we have any Chipotle fanatics in the chat? What's y'all's go-to? Oh, it is tasty. It 100% is tasty, bro. It is a tasty, tasty thing. Still kind of consolidating here, getting a little bit of rejection. I'll take McDonald's 50-piece nuggets any day. Holy. What kind of sauce though? You know what I mean? Like, are you the barbecue sauce? Are you the ranch? Are you the sweet and sour? Like, sauce matters. It really does. But 50-piece, holy. 50-piece is crazy. That's actually wild. $50 is just a little snack. Holy. I would probably explode, to be honest. I would definitely explode. All right, here's that weakness. Little seller's coming through on the NAS. I'm 100% exploding if I ate 50 McNuggets. I'd probably also feel like shit too because it's McDonald's. These moves look big, chat, but this candle is from 40 to literally 31. This is a 9-point candle. If that says anything. Literally 9 points. Gotta wash it down with Diet Coke so you don't feel bad about it. Prefer Coke Zero. Definitely prefer Coke Zero. Chat, like a nice like fountain Coke Zero, bro. Oh. Something about the carbonation, bro. Oh my lord. My goodness. Nas bought right back up after trying to sell off there. Chaz PA, bro. Don't get chopped up. It ain't worth it. What's gold doing? Gold sideways. If you put half a lime on Coke Zero, it tastes just like the real thing. Interesting. I might have to try that. But I don't know, like I've had Coke Zero for a long time. That's just my go-to. And I don't know, I took a drink of like a regular Coke after that. And I don't know, it was gross. Like I can't do regular soda, chat. I can't do it. Regular soda just is not it. That's what I do, then add Jack. Not bad. Nasdaq still just consolidating up here. Nothing much happening. I'm not much of a jack person, you know what I mean? I'm more of a tequila. More tequila kind of guy.
Your entry 63. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off. I'm not gonna. You're over it. I'm over it. And you know what? That puts me back straight up today. So not great. I love it. I'm taking it.
Whiskey sour the best. Oof. Oof. Looks like topping formation megaphone. I don't really believe anything in the market right now. I don't believe any formation. I don't believe any pattern. I don't believe any of it. I don't believe any of it, chat. None. Look at gold. 4K, send it. Nasdaq, a little bit of sellers coming through. Are we gonna get an IB failure? Let's see what the crazy power hour algo will do today. Let's see, we're in power hour now. It can't be. I don't trust any of it. Like, I would love to trade the personal account today, but I'm not seeing anything that I feel great taking on the personal. So I think what we're gonna do, Chad, is just shut the personal down, and then we had the Tradify funded accounts. Tradify funded accounts, which we are up 300 on, over 300. So no trades on the personal account today, chat. No trades on the personal. Maybe I see something on gold tonight that I'll take on the personal account. But as far as the New York session goes, no. No. Not every day needs to be a trade on the personal. You are 100% accurate. 100% accurate. Conditions are not probable for me in the personal. Chat, one thing I want to point out. Remember, we're holding a free mastermind course in Discord October 24th. If you are not in Discord, link in the description of the video. Be sure to join up October 24th. You don't want to miss it. It's absolutely free. I have nothing to sell you. No course, no mentorship. It's just free. It's just a vibe. We're going to hang out and talk shop. So be sure to join up on Discord. Tune into it, man. Tune into it. It's going to be a good time. Going to be an absolutely good time. Check the event tab too, chat. If you're in Discord, check that event tab. It's up there in the event tab. Be sure to add it to your calendar. Give it a little look over. Will refreshments be served, Jay? No. Unless y'all are at my house. If y'all are at my house, sure. I'll give y'all some refreshments. I like this pullback on Nas, chat. Breaking this low here, catching a little buy up out of it. I don't hate it for longs, especially if we're going to stay above IB high. But it's just moving so slow, bro. Part of me is like, Joe, lock it up, dog. Lock it up. This PA is really fucking trash right now. This PA is trash. Also, chat, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, bro. We're live every single day, Monday through Friday. We do giveaways multiple times throughout the week. So if you're not subscribed, bro, what are you even doing? Because you're missing out. Hit that subscribe button. Holy. Here, we got to do the stats for the personal account, chat, just to show you guys. No trades today. Here's the stats on the personal account. For this month, we're up 2.3% on the personal account this month, chat. So far, from Thursday and Friday, we're up 2.3% on the personal. We're up 22% total on the personal account. Started this in August. You can see here, no trades today. Sitting today out on the personal account. Oh yeah. Stats, see last month, we had a really good month last month, up 16% last month in the personal account, chat. No trades today. We'll see what tomorrow brings. Nasdaq been respecting the 21 EMA, the 21 EMA on the 5-minute all day today. The Nasdaq can catch these hands, chat. That's what it can do. The Nasdaq sucks. Nasdaq can catch these hands, bro. Holy. I'm over the Nasdaq today. Wow, look at gold. Gold making its way back. Trying to go push back to the highs. Can it go to 4K? Can it go back to 4K, or can it go up to 4K, chat? I feel like every other instrument today was worth trading except gold, or except Nasdaq. I feel like Nasdaq was the only one not worth trading today. YM had good movement. Gold obviously had good movement. Nasdaq just shit the bed. Sometimes you think trading the ES is better than the Nasdaq is one sick little puppy. It is. Nasdaq's not feeling too well. Nasdaq is not feeling too well, bro. It is just dead PA. Absolutely dead. I would love to be a bag holder of gold though. Like I want a healthy pullback. Like a nice healthy pullback on gold, chat, to just really swing gold. Like, dude, I feel like there's so much money being made with gold right now. So much money to be made with gold. Like gold is gonna create just, I feel like gonna create millionaires, bro. Especially as it's just gonna continue ripping all-time highs, going up to 4,000. You know how many bag holders are holding gold to 4K right now? I would love a healthy pullback. We are 11 points away from 4,000 on gold, chat. MyFX Trading, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Been putting gold in both kids' accounts since they were born. Damn kids have no idea how lucky they are. Yo, they rolling in dough. They rolling dough. Holy. The market is due for a healthy pullback. Never did in September. I agree. Appreciate the like, my Forex or my FX. I agree. Market needs a healthy pullback. I could not agree more. My 22-year-old has a fat account. I'm lucky she doesn't know about it yet. Yeah, don't tell her. Not till she don't tell her till she's 30. Cause I feel like that's when a lot of people start to get a little bit of financial maturity. Don't tell her till she's 30, bro. Holy. Hell, even 35. She don't need to know about it. My son has an account. I be putting things, I be putting money in. He don't know how lucky he is. He's only 1. He'll be 2 in December. He has no idea how lucky he is. Tell her after she's married. There you go. That's a good idea. All right, she don't blow it on no boyfriend or whatever. It was something my parents were never able to do for me, so it was important to me to do it. 100%. Good on you. Good on you. 100%. That's awesome. I can tell you now, my son isn't gonna know he has an account until he's like 30s. 30s. He ain't gonna know. He will have no idea. Like, I'm talking mid 30s, like 35. And after he's married, if he does get married. I know, chat, marriage is overrated now. And I'm married. And I prefer to be married. But it does seem like nowadays people don't really care about it as much. Just kind of what I see. I prefer to be married. I'm happily married. But it seems like nowadays people don't really care about it as much as they used to. Well, gold is kind of just chilling here. Nothing much really happening on gold. It was trying to get a little run up, but we're pulling back off of it. Then one day when you single, you wish you was married. Crazy life. Yeah. I do think a lot of people are like think marriage is like, I guess I don't want to say like overrated, but like people don't, like I said, people don't care about it as much anymore. I feel like I prefer to be married. I'm married, have kids. Like, I'm happy. Like, I prefer to be married. I think everybody should be, but it just seems like nowadays people don't really care. I think marriage could be fun though. I think it is fun. I have fun with it. Like a never-ending sleepover. 32 plus years, holy. That is a long time. I don't hate the longs on gold on this pullback. Longs on gold, I don't hate, chat. Oh wait, I can't do brackets in group mode. Forgot about that. All right. Well, if we here, let me turn brackets off. I don't mind taking a long at 84 on gold for the Tradify accounts. I'm not trading personal account. Personal account is no bueno today. The PA is trash for to trade personal. I want to short the ES, my cash count. Yeah, I trust me. I would not be today. For me personally, today is not the day for a personal account. Hopefully TradeAway fixes that one day with the bracket orders and copy trading. Hopefully. I don't see why they wouldn't. I really don't. I don't see why they wouldn't. Nice education. Congrats. Congrats. I don't know if this order's gonna get filled, chat. Well, we got 38 minutes. I don't know if this order will get filled. Oh well, I'll take it off. Just take it all, chat. I might just call it a day, bro. Might just call it a day. Markets are kind of just meh, you know? They're kind of just not good. TradeFi funded accounts, we are up. Share the trade performance here. You guys can see. Let me see. Get rid of, hang on, chat. Let me get rid of bookmap here. There you go. You can see we're up 331 on the day for TradeFi. All funded accounts sitting nice and green. Then we're gonna lock it up, chat. No trades on the personal account. TradeFi is sitting up nice. I really don't see any reason or need to trade this the rest of this day with this type of volatility or this type of price action because there's nothing happening. We are in extreme low volume right now. Low volume. Chat, if you're not already, join up a Discord. Again, we're doing that free mastermind class October 24th. Link in the description of the live video. Join up, come hang out. It's gonna be a good time. I won't sell you anything. I have no course or mentorship. Just gonna be a good time and a vibe. So be sure to tune in. Join up on that in Discord. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We are live every single day, do giveaways every single week. We got some giveaways coming this week, so be sure to tune in. How long have you been doing? I mean, how long I've been trading? I've been trading for 7 years. Shut it down, bro. Better days are coming when the volatility. 100%. I agree. Yep, chat. Hit that subscribe button. TradeFi is 30% off with code JM. Use code JM to support the community. In fact, chat, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do another giveaway for this month for using code JM. So just like last month, if you use code JM, send me a screenshot in Discord, and that'll set you up for a free straight to funded account. So be sure to tune in and send me the screenshots. If you use code JM, we'll run it again. We'll run it back this month, chat. We'll run it back this month. You have the entire month. Get multiple entries. If you buy 5 accounts, you get 5 entries, and we'll do a giveaway for a straight to funded account. So be sure to send me the screenshots if you do use code JM to support the community, and I'll enter you for the giveaway. Hit that sub button. Peace. Have a good one, fam. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a good one. Love you guys. Stay beautiful. Peace.